Big Chill. This is Fresh Bar by Big Chill because I'm super thirsty right now and I ordered watermelon shake. By the way, I don't have any makeup on. We are just here because we're gonna meet up with an online shop. Wait, panoorin natin muna. Sarap? Lychee? Hi! So as I was saying, Mark is gonna buy an electronic pipe. So we're gonna meet up with a seller. Hindi namin siya ngayon. We're having a shake. Then after this, we're gonna go to... Because I have gift certificates from Nailaholics if you watch the other vlog. So we're gonna pamper ourselves. I'm actually gonna review their services. So here are the hindi pala ito, Big Chill to. So this is it. Kaka-open lang nila sa Gateway 4th level. They have a lot of services like nails, eyelash extensions, threading, waxing. We even have massage. So we're gonna try the massage therapy. Kaya madami yan, ibang klase. So I have this event on Thursday. It's a big event and I need to get my nails done, but I'm gonna get it done the day before. So Wednesday I'm gonna be back at Gateway to get my nails done from Nailaholics para hindi masira. So I think I'm gonna try out the gel polish because I've always wanted to try gel nails before. Never ko na try. So Mark's vape is now here. Bango B. Wala tong ano ha, walang nicotine soda.
Just flavor lang.
Paano ba?
Flavor lang siya.
Not suitable for
Glycerin, tas ano, food flavor.
Hindi siya unhealthy, pero hindi ako sanay sa usok. Pero I can do it. Press mo to. Uy, nasa frame ba ako? Bah, sa ilong pa. So we are at Ali Mall. We're gonna take a shuttle to back to saan ulit? Gateway.
Gateway.
So meron silang shuttle and Mark said na free daw yun. So we're gonna go down. We are riding the shuttle right now. We are now here at the 4th floor. Diba doon yung food court? Nalakad kayo dito. Loka. Because last time, nawala kami ni my sister kaya nainis ko. Well, yeah, we go here. Yan naman yung background ko. Ito yung Sony Center. When you walk straight, makikita niyo yun. Yan. Yan yung escalator dyan. Akit kayo dyan. So we're now here at Nailaholics and we just availed of these following services. So both Mark and I will be having the Long Beach full body massage. 600 pesos for 1 hour. Tapos, so that's 1 tuna. And since I have this 2,000 gift certificate, we have to consume all of that kasi hindi sila kasi nga gift certificate, so hindi siya pwedeng magsukli. Then, I'm gonna get my nails done. Gel polish siya. Gel polish does last for like 2 weeks daw, according to ate. Yun. Hindi pa ako nakakatry ng gel polish, pero hindi siya like ordinary nail polish. So, that's a good thing because I have this event on Thursday. And since may natira kaming 150, Mark's gonna get a manicure. So, ano yun? 180. So, mag-a-add na lang kami ng 30 pesos para may kasabay lang kasi magpapolish pa. We're now seated on our seats. It's super soothing, super quiet here. And sobrang ganda ng ambience. It's very beachy. Look at the walls. Ganda, no? And then I have all my my phone, my camera because I'm gonna be reviewing their gel polish because I've never tried it before. So si Mark din na-addict na siya sa ano niya. B, hi! Yan. So, yan. Hindi lang namin. Sa loob yung, sabi kasi nila, una daw muna yung manicure and then after nun yung body massage. So, I'm gonna Instagram first. Okay? So, first step sa gel polish is hand soak. I noticed na sobrang soft yung fingers ko. And ang ginagamit nilang gel color is Akasi from Korea. Again, this procedure is 600 pesos for the hands. Pag sa para, 650. They serve beverages here, so we have juice. So meron din silang hot tea. So Mark and I also availed of the water drift spa. It's for the feet. So foot spa siya and pedicure. Yay! Kasi ang pangit ng pa ako. Kaya ako makita, pero pangit pa ako. And I'm also, kasi since may naiwan kaming 180 sa gift certificate, magpapa-eyebrow threading ako. First time ko rin, hindi pa ako nagpapa-eyebrow thread. Senior, ano ka ate? Senior?
Nail technician.
Wow, senior nail technician. So, Ate Ems is gonna do my brows as well. Yay! We're now soaking our feet in super warm water with stones.
Mentos.
Ano na to? Water drift. Bakit Mentos? Pebbles yan, pebbles. Smart yan.
Mentos di oh.
The staff are so friendly here.
Ano?
Pebbles yan. Yan. Yay. With regards to my experience sa manicure, wala akong na-feel na pain. Ikaw, may na-feel kang pain? Kasi yung sister ko, pag alala, natatakot siya kasi masakit. Lalo pag nipper.
Kasi kung maninipis yung ano.
Oo, tapos grabe pang mag-ano. Ako wala. Wala akong na-feel. Tapos ang bilis pa ni ate, look. So clean.
Kasi siya naka-attend.
Buti lang walang tao masyado. Wow, Dead Sea Salt Scrub.
Meron siyang lemongrass and whitening moisturize.
Wow.
Yan din ba yung nilalagay sa pagkain?
Hindi.
Ano bang salt yan?
I-vlog natin. Kumintab yung nails ni Mark. Because ate used nail buffer. Tingin. B, close up. Diba? For all the people out there who hasn't tried gel nail polish, ang una daw gagawin, sabi ni ate, is iba-buff yung nails. Yun ba yung pangpakita?
No, ma'am. Para matanggal po yung shine.
Para matanggal yung shine. So, as you can see, wala na yung shine ng nails ko. Very matte siya. Tapos, ano yun, ate?
Bonder.
Bonder.
Nail bonder.
Nail bonder. For ano siya?
Para pampakapit.
Papakapit. Parang primer, no? Nail bonder. Okay. Next is the base gel. And then we have this UV light, tamba, UV light. Kasi according to ate, per layer, kailangan ipapasok mo yung kamay mo dito for 2 minutes para mag-dry. Papasok ko na yung kamay ko?
Yes.
Lahat?
Up.
Nagkasang bato. Ayan. Ayan, cool. Kamay ha. Next step is applying the gel polish. Red yung kinuha kong color. Kaya mo i-zoom? The last step is the top gel?
Yes.
Top gel. Last na to. May fine na. Ganda, no? Ano pa?
Oh.
Tingnan nyo, gagawin si ate lang yung acetone. Kasi hindi na natanggal yung color. Lalong pang pa-shine daw. And to remove gel polish, you have to go back here. Para sila yung mga tanggal kasi may special way na pagtanggal ng gel. Okay. I super love my gel nails. Sobrang amazed ako kasi kahit may acetone, hindi siya natanggal. So, yun nga, may special procedure to remove gel nails and kahit doon maglaba ka, hindi siya matanggal. And it will last for about 2 weeks. So, that's really cool. And I love the color that I picked. Galing. Love it. Now done, my toes. Super ganda. Okay, now we're gonna, before applying the polish on the toes, we're gonna proceed to the full body massage. Ano yung anong tawag? Anong name nun? Long Beach. Long Beach full body massage. They have oily nail polishes and even China glaze. Is cool. And then, ito yung meron silang mga BNC Color Club. Yan. Dami. So I'm now inside the massage room and it's super bright. It's not like the other mga dim na rooms. Ito yung bed. And look at this. We have a view of tall buildings. Don't you worry kasi talagang nanonood ng tent yan. So, sana wala makakita sa atin. We just finished with the massage. It was so relaxing. I feel so rejuvenated and refreshed. Nakatulog ako. It was so nice. And I recommend genuinely, super ganda ng ano niya, pag-massage niya.